This is crazy. It's raining outside. Unbelievable. I'm trying to see what else I could do. I was gonna jump on the subway and go downtown, but they blocked it right now, as you can see. And it's raining on top of that, so I'm trying to figure it out right now. But I know it's something to do. This is New York City. New York City will never let you down. What's up, guys? How you doing today? You're rocking out with the one and only PhillyDom. I'm out here in like Upper Manhattan, almost close to the Bronx. I'm in Dominican land to be exact. So I'm walking around letting you see what's going on with the nightlife. And I'm gonna call it Dominican land, a Little Dominican Republic. Shout out to the Dominican Republic. Got a couple lounges and different spots open here. I'm on Dyckman, so anybody from New York knows what I'm talking about. Dyckman. I think this Dyckman Ave. So let's just walk around, let's see what we can get into. I got a little spot over here called Dyckman Bar and Kitchen. I might see if I can walk in there and try it out real quick. I'm gonna check out the nightlife, hanging out a little bit.
Yours. Let's get it. We found the owner. We got money. Let's go.
Table, please get off the table, right? Shit ain't whatever you want. Get off the fucking table. Hold on. get back into the music. You see, I can chill, man. Chill, table, whatever I want to. So, ready? So, ladies, I just want to talk to us and talk to me.
This is crazy. It's raining outside. Unbelievable. I didn't predict this. I'm trying to see what else I can do. I was gonna jump on the subway and go downtown, but they blocked it right now, as you can see. And it's raining on top of that, so I'm trying to figure it out right now. But I know it's something to do. This is New York City. New York City will never let you down. Dyckman, I'm in Dyckman. Is this the Bronx or Manhattan? Manhattan. We're in Manhattan. But this is where the Dominicans be hanging at, yo. Shout out to the Dominicans. The spot I was in was mad Dominicans in there. Shout out to the Dominicans. Caught in the rain, man, so the nightlife is cut short. I'm gonna try to figure something out and see what I can do. I was gonna walk around, I promise. I was gonna walk around. We'll show y'all some things. But as we can see, the nightlife was cut short due to the rain. So I'm trying to figure out what the next move is. I'm out here in Upper Manhattan, close to the Bronx. Dyckman in the house. I'm in Dyckman. I gotta say it over and over. Dyckman. Made my way to the sub. I'm going to Manhattan right now. Man, got a 20-minute wait, man. This is crazy. This is everybody's in the sub. Right now, I'm in I guess this is called the Dyckman station. So we waiting for the train. I keep it real 100%. I'm out here in these real streets. Downtown, man. Downtown Manhattan. It was a rain out today. Trying to see what my next move is. Let me see what I can do. Right by Times Square, guys. Right by Times Square. Where they dropped the big ball at. You guys don't travel. Now, man, I'm trying to take a little ride somewhere, but I will stay in the New York area. What happened? Oh, it still is raining. It's raining out here still. I can catch the trains down there. Thank you. It's an Osmo Pocket right there. Yeah. I do video. It's pretty cool. It's real small. It do its thing, man. Oh yeah. Thank you. Nightlife look like? What your nightlife look like? Damn, Walgreens got a store here. What your nightlife look like? Amtrak is that way? Thank you, thank you, thank you. What your nightlife look like? Little coffee shop open right there with bagels. It's Penn Station we in right now. Want to go to Jersey? Where you gonna go in Jersey? I need to go to Jersey. I got a cousin in Jersey I need to go check out. Let me check something out. If not, I might go to Jersey, in northern Jersey. Go check them out. Subway, we don't want to go there. I've never seen New York this empty before. Never. I may go to Jersey. I don't know yet. I ain't got you guys confused what I'm doing today. I'm like, where's he going? Where's PhillyDom going? Amtrak is this way. Is it straight ahead? Across this way, everybody going this way. I'm assuming this is Amtrak. Where's Amtrak? Amtrak? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Amtrak straight ahead? Amtrak. I want to talk to, like, I want to buy a ticket at a counter, like a counter, talk to somebody. Oh, you are Amtrak. I want to talk to somebody at a counter.
Okay, everything is closed. What do you need?
I'm trying to see if I can get a ticket to Boston.
Well, you got a machine inside there. You got to use your credit card.
Let me check it.
If not, you got to go to the
You got to go where across the street?
At 5 o'clock. The new Amtrak station.
So up the escalators? And somebody's actually there. 5 o'clock. Okay. Let me go here. Let me check the ticket. I can check it over there. Thank you. It's kind of complicated, man. How the heck do you get in here? How do you get into Amtrak? How do you get in there? Over there. No, I gotta buy one. Oh, okay. Thank you. Excuse me, my brother. I need to buy a ticket. See where I can buy a ticket at.
Attention, please. Now boarding on track 4 both east and west gates is the New Jersey Transit 4:30 a.m. North Jersey Coast Line en route to Long Branch. Making stops at Newark Penn Station.
Come on, man. This is like some old.
Elizabeth, Minden, Galway, Albemarle,
Yo, where you buy a ticket at? Oh, with your card, with your debit?
You got debit card?
Yeah.
No, it's red now. You got to wait till 5 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. Can I at least check it, like to see can I at least use that machine to check and see No, I want to see where the train going. I want to see the different times.
No, the train is in the board. What are you doing?
Trying to go to Boston.
So when the trains get ready to leave, it'll post whatever train you catching.
This is crazy. Okay, long.
So normally 9 times out of 10, 15 minutes before the train departs, it'll post up here. And
Okay.
it'll tell you what gate, what track.
Okay, Boston is at 6:15.
So if you want to buy a ticket, you gotta go across the street to Motorham.
Did you say you were trying to go to Boston?
Yeah.
That train comes at 6:50.
Yeah, they just told me 6:15. I see it right there. Thank you. I see it right there now.
All right, bro.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. No, I'm going to waste some time until it comes. Well, she's going in to get a ticket. What the heck?